Hi guys! Today we'll fix the issue of missing contacts on iPhone. First of all, unlock your phone so we can start the process easily. Now, from the home screen, open the Settings app because that's where all the main options are. Once Settings opens, you'll see your name at the very top of the screen. This is your Apple ID, and this is where all your synced data is managed. Since contacts are linked to your account, we need to go inside this section. So simply tap on your name to continue. Now, after opening your Apple ID, scroll down a little. Here you'll find the iCloud option, which handles your backups and syncing. Because your contacts are stored in iCloud, this step is really important. So go ahead and tap on iCloud. Once you're inside iCloud, look for the Saved to iCloud section. Tap on it to see all the data that's currently being synced with your account. This is where we can control whether contacts are syncing properly or not. So just open this section. Now scroll down and find the Contacts option. If it's turned on, we're going to refresh it to fix the issue. Simply turn it off for a moment because sometimes syncing gets stuck. This helps reset the connection and fix missing contacts. As soon as you turn it off, a pop-up will appear on the screen. Here you'll see the option Keep on my iPhone. Make sure to select this so your existing contacts stay safe on your device. This step is important to avoid losing any saved numbers. Now, after a few seconds, turn the contacts toggle back on again. This will resync your contacts with iCloud properly. Give it a little time because sometimes it takes a few seconds to update. In most cases, your missing contacts will start appearing again. If your issue is still not fixed, then don't worry, there's one more step. You can restart or restore your iPhone to refresh the entire system. This helps fix deeper issues that normal settings can't solve. After this, your problem should be completely resolved. So that's how you can easily fix missing contacts on your iPhone. I hope this method helped you and saved your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions.